a clean body, white teeth, and moisturized skin. Essentially, that's really all you need. Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a beauty chit chat kind of video. So I know a lot of women, a lot of girls, they're really focused on glowing up, just trying to put out the best version of themselves possible. I have nothing against that. I think it's a wonderful thing. I definitely like to take care of myself as well, but a lot of times the glow up or glowing up is always centered around like makeup and hair extensions and lashes and nails and all of that, and I don't have anything against it. As you guys can see, I have on fake nails, I have on makeup. I don't have a weave in now, but you guys know I do wig reviews. But what I will say is that no amount of fake hair, no amount of fake eyelashes, no amount of fake nails, none of it will overshadow or take away poor hygiene. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys my favorite beauty and hygiene tips, things that you can incorporate into your routine already to enhance your natural beauty. So tip 1, this might sound like common sense, but common sense isn't so common, so I'm gonna put this out here, and that is to wash your okay, bathe every day, shower every day. I'm not getting into the shower versus bath debate, but make sure that you are washing your body at least 1 to 2 times a day. Like, it's not an option. I don't care what age you are, you need to get up and shower. You need to clean your body. And I really wanted this to be my first tip too, because we're all quarantined right now and a lot of our routines have changed. And so, like, you know, we're not getting up at our normal time. Some of us are sleeping in because we're not working, and then everything's just thrown off. But that is not an excuse to not shower. That is not an excuse to not bathe. Even though we're in quarantine right now, I still get up every morning and take a shower. And this is before we were quarantined. Regardless if I have plans for the day or if I'm going somewhere, I always get up and bathe. Even if I'm just putting on some sweatpants or some leggings, even if you're not getting dressed or going anywhere, you need to get up and shower. Wash your body, okay? I don't know what other ways I can say it, but even if you take your shower at night, you still want to make sure you get up in the morning and freshen up. You know, you want to wash your face again, you know, clean, hit any important areas, put on clean underwear for the day. And I'm not going to get into the hygiene Olympics too much and tell you what kind of products to use, what kind of products you shouldn't use. For one, we all have different sensitivities and pH balances and all that other stuff, but you can't skip taking a bath. So, number 2. My second tip is going to be about oral hygiene. So I get a lot of compliments on my teeth and my smile. I've never had braces before. They're not terrible, but I definitely have imperfections with my teeth that I personally don't like. But I do get a lot of compliments and about how white my teeth are. Outside of getting like annual cleanings at the dentist, outside of doing that, I've never gotten my teeth professionally whitened. I don't use any of those fancy whitening kits. Let me tell you guys what I use on my teeth. First thing that I use, I'm a coffee drinker, so this is initially why I started using this, is because I noticed that my teeth had started to get dingy and I didn't like it. So this is the whitening mouthwash. I actually use the Target brand, but this is compared to the Crest 3D White. And so basically what you do is use this 2 times a day. And so you use it before you brush your teeth. You take a capful, rinse it in your mouth for like 60 seconds. It'll start to foam up. And yeah, you just rinse your mouth for 60 seconds and then you brush your teeth regularly. I feel like you can see a difference within a matter of days once you start using this. But I've been using this for a couple of years now. Sometimes I take a break because if you use too much of it, it can make your teeth sensitive. But this is the truth. It's very inexpensive. It'll run you about $4 to $6 depending on what drugstore you get it from. The next thing that stepped my teeth game up is electric toothbrushes. So I started using electric toothbrushes maybe like a year or two ago, and again, these changed my life. You don't have to get the super expensive ones. This one I'm using now is from Colgate. I use like the little cheapy versions, and I think it works really good. Ever since I started using these, like, I do not like just a regular toothbrush. I feel like it doesn't do the job. And then sometimes when I travel, like, I have like little traveling toothbrushes that I buy, and I can really tell the difference. Like, whenever I travel and I use those, it's not the same as the electric toothbrush. Like, I don't know what it is about that motion, but I feel like it cleans your teeth like so much better than just like a manual toothbrush. These run about $5 as well. $5, $6, $7 depending on the sales that they have, but really affordable. You can also replace the head. So in general, you should be replacing your toothbrushes like every 2 to 3 months. Once your bristles start to get frayed, you should switch out your toothbrush regardless of what kind of toothbrush that you use. It uses a battery, so yeah, if the battery runs out, you can replace the battery. I usually just toss the whole thing and buy a new toothbrush because, again, they're very inexpensive. Again, electric toothbrush and whitening mouthwash, it'll give you that A1 smile. Tip 3 is going to be about skincare. So in general, I get a lot of compliments on my skin as well. Having nice skin is another one of those things that's gonna like enhance your natural beauty, making sure you're moisturized, that your skin is soft, and all of those good things. So I do have dry skin, like eczema, psoriasis, all that stuff runs in my family. Thankfully, I haven't had to experience it too much, but in general, I do have just like really dry skin. Like, I get ashy, okay? So my favorite thing to use for skin, so I cannot do just like I buy lotion for like my hands, but as far as my body, like, I can't really just do regular lotion because I will be ashy. So I am a Shea Butter girl. Shea Butter, baby. So I recommend putting this on your body as soon as you get out the shower. When you get out the shower, that's when your pores are open, so you want to moisturize then to allow the moisture to seep into your skin. Otherwise, I find that if I let my skin dry too much after I get out of the shower, I'm just putting on like lotion or Shea Butter or whatever on top of like a layer of my skin, it doesn't like seep in, if that makes sense. I use the African Shea Butter from OK Pure Natural. It's all natural, 100% pure, unrefined, made from the nut of the African shea tree. OK African Shea Butter is a rich butter that has been used for its many skin and hair benefits. I purchased this from Target. Yeah, it's very moisturizing. Like, as you guys can see, like, it gives you that natural glow to your skin, and it keeps you moisturized as well. Like, so the only downfall with Shea Butter, and I know if you wear Shea Butter, you can justify, no, that's not the word, you can testify to this, is that it stains your clothes. Like, so whenever I get out the shower, I like to put it on, and then I like to wear a robe for a little bit before I put on my actual clothes. Because if you put on this and then put on your clothes right away, you're gonna have like yellow marks and streaks all on your clothes. So yeah, you definitely want to allow it to sit on your skin for a while before you actually put your clothes on. If you have to get dressed right away, you might want to skip out on the Shea Butter. The second thing that I like to do for my skin is body glitter. So I like to mix my Shea Butter with my Fenty Beauty Body Lava. I use Trophy Wife, but I like to mix these two together, and it just gives you like the best natural glow to your skin. It's just very effortless, you know. You don't need all the extra. It's just a little body glitter, and moisturized skin goes a long way, okay? A clean body, white teeth, and moisturized skin, essentially that's really all you need. Everything else is considered extra. So yeah, so tip 4. So tip 4 is just gonna be like overall wellness and healthcare. I'm not the healthiest eater. I don't eat a super clean diet. I'm not I wouldn't consider myself like religiously healthy and fit, but you definitely want to be mindful of what you put into your body. What you put in is going to come out some way. So for some people, it is like, whether it's bad skin, whether it's body odor, whether it's bad breath, whether it's extra weight. But you definitely want to be mindful of what you're putting into your body. Like, make sure you're drinking water, make sure you're eating. You don't have to eat super clean. I don't eat super clean, but I do try to eat a balanced diet. I do try to, in addition, like, I'm a snacker, so in addition to eating all my Scooby snacks, I still like to make sure that I'm getting fruit and vegetables. And so in addition to trying to eat healthy, I do take vitamins to make up for the things that I'm not getting in my diet. Also, before I go over any of these, I'm not a healthcare professional. If you have any issues or anything like that, make sure you consult with a professional first. Make sure that if you do start to implement any of these into your diet, into your routine, that you know, you take baby steps. Don't just jump full force. See how your body reacts to it. Take small dosages, all that good stuff. So I do like to take a daily vitamin. I use just like gummies. I honestly switch what kind of vitamins I take. Sometimes I take like the actual pill form. Sometimes I take the gummies. If you're not a pill taker, then definitely start with the gummies. These are just the women multivitamins. Helps provide energy, metabolism, support, bone structure, immune system. This is the Target brand, but it's compared to the Vitafusion Women's brand. So yeah, a multivitamin every day. I do like to also take vitamin C supplements, but for a long time it was said that vitamin C was good for your immune system, and then I recently found out, not recently, but now they're saying like they don't know if it really supports your immune system or not. But whether it does or does not, what it does do is that it is great for your skin. I noticed that when I take my vitamin C like regularly, like my skin just has that natural glow to it. So yeah, if you do suffer from skin issues and you are working on your skin, vitamin C is definitely something good to add to your regimen. These are the 500 milligrams. Sometimes I buy the 1,000 milligrams. All depends on what they have. The next thing that I like to take is echinacea. So echinacea is supposed to support your immune system, and considering the times that we are in now with this whole COVID-19, make sure you're getting your vitamin C, your multivitamin, as well as echinacea. Whenever I get sick, like double up on my dosages of echinacea, as well as in addition to taking like regular cold medicine, and it usually knocks my colds out. I don't want to say super fast, but a lot faster than it would if I'm just taking cold medicine. But I also just like to take these regularly. I don't take them every day, but maybe every other day. So I do like to just implement these for my overall health and immune system. The last supplement that I take is the Biotin Plus Keratin supplement. So Biotin is supposed to be good for your hair, skin, and nails. These are the 10,000 mcgs, and it has keratin. It has 100 milligrams of the keratin in it. So I know a lot of people have like different reactions to Biotin. I have a friend, and when she started taking Biotin, it broke her skin out terribly. Definitely, if you've never taken Biotin before, start with small dosages to see how your body reacts to it. And yeah, that's all I have. I hope this video was helpful. I hope this video was informative. We can still wear our fake hair, we can still wear our fake nails, we can still wear our makeup, and we can do all of that. But let's also make sure that we're taking care of our canvas and our foundation. Like, you don't want to build on something that's like not stable or not sturdy. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you beautiful ladies next time.